Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Oh, Sergey. Oh, Sergey. Sergey Kovalev. Oh, where are you? Has anyone seen Sergey Kovalev? The last time I saw him, he got knocked the you-know-what out. Night-night. Sergey, what happened, man? You were the Krusher. I'm the Krusher. But the Krusher crushes no more. Kovalev, what happened? Andre Ward, for some reason, you were unstoppable. And then you met Andre Ward, and then Andre Ward ruined your life. And then we said, okay, let's just say for the sake of your delusion that the Andre Ward fights never happened. You're still Sergey, right? Yes, I'm the Krusher. Okay, Sergey, what are you going to do? I fight Alvarez. And what happened? I got knocked out. So come on, Sergey. You're not the same guy. The aura of invincibility is gone. Everyone in the light heavyweight division thinks they can beat you. And now you get a rematch. You got a new trainer, but will that help? If you don't listen to your trainer, it doesn't matter what you do. If you don't listen, you won't get better or you won't improve at your craft. And Sergey, through the grapevine, has a problem with listening to authority and throwing back a few cold ones, if you know what I mean. I am not betting on Sergey Kovalev in this fight. I'm not betting on Alvarez. I just want to see it happen because if you saw the look in Alvarez's eyes when he knocked out Sergey Kovalev, even before he knocked him out, he was not afraid. And when you stand up to a bully, the bully has to back down. You can't be afraid. And I don't think Alvarez is afraid, and he's ready for Sergey. So if Sergey loses this fight, is his boxing career over? No. He can fight other no-name fighters and still make a comfortable living. But the Sergey we once knew is not the same Sergey if he loses to Alvarez. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.